I guess that you could say it's true. What's good? It's Zaire, and today we will be making a simple beat for beginners in Garageband. I'm going to teach you how to make it very simply. I'm going to pull up a keyboard so you can see what note I'm hitting on my keyboard. I'm going to make a simple beat using this loop right here. The metronome helps to keep you kind of on time, so you have something to listen for. You can change the tempo of the metronome up here where it says tempo. You can start with something simple. I usually go with whoever sounds right. I'm going to show you what it sounds like without me quantizing it, because if you highlight it and press this Q, it quantizes it so that it matches up. But let's just listen to it without it quantized. Now that doesn't sound too bad, but we're going to quantize it anyway and see what it sounds like now. You hear it sounds more firm. Now another part of making a beat is a hi-hat. And I want to show you this cool technique that oh, this is nice. But we're going to use a hi-hat for now. It's something simple. So I know some people prefer not quantizing a hi-hat because it sounds like more natural, but I like quantizing mine. Here's what it sounds like without a quantize. You can see it sounds kind of awkward, but if we quantize it, and there's also this cool trick you can do. If you zoom in, you click it, two-finger click it, copy it, and then can Command V. Oh, it's not gonna work. Or just paste it a bunch of times. And then you get this cool sound like this. See? And you can do that like wherever seems fit. So I'm gonna just do it right here. And you get that cool effect. So let's hear with the drums. Now I also want to use, you can use a snare or a clap. I like that sound. Or a clap. But I'm going to use a snare though. I like to make my snares fancy. Actually, I'm going to try something. Let me just do this. So this is experimental. You can do it with any instrument really. Sounds pretty cool. And that's a basic beat right there. You could, you know, do more if you hear like interesting sounds that you like. I mean, I heard this other hi-hat. I liked how that sounded. I'm gonna just and let's see. Move this aside. I turned the drum up just so that it hits harder. That sounds pretty nice. I like it how it sounds. Now that was just something simple, but I guess I could arrange it some sort of way. I'm not gonna add an 808 to it. I'll do that in another video, but just for the sake of this video, just making a simple beat. And that is how you make a simple beat in GarageBand. I hope this helped you um, with anything that you have in mind. Um, Basically, yeah. So please make sure to like and subscribe